Hello Eagles, it's Mother Eagle here. How is everybody doing? You know, I was reminded of the book called Relentless by Tim Grover. It is a wonderful book, and there is a concept in there, actually a story whereby he was the trainer, he was the coach for Michael Jordan, Kobe, the coach of the coach. Anytime they needed a private coach, he's the one they went to. So how do you make someone who is already great, greater? So in that book, he was showing us the things that these wonderful sportsmen did to go beyond what they were already able to do. And one of the interesting things in there was giving away your power. He stated that every time you would see one of the sports guys, either Kobe or Jordan, lose his temper on the court, it meant he had given away his power, meaning their reactions were based on other people's behaviors, which should not be. You should be able to have enough self-control not to be triggered or reactive because someone else did something. You have to be centered enough, meaning you have the power. You choose how to handle every situation. You choose based on who you are and the strength you have within. It's not easy to do, but it can be done. Now the question for you is, have you given away your power? Do things you see around you, things that other people do they cause a reaction to you? Because they shouldn't. If they do, it means you are reactive to their situations. You should choose how to react to things. Your day cannot be messed up because someone maybe said something to you and you got upset. You can choose to have a good and great day despite anyone's behavior or attitude. If you consciously choose to take back your power, that will be it. You'll be able to go through days and nights and all your days without being reactive based on other people's situations. So anyway, that's a wonderful book. At some point I'll give a real review, but it's called Relentless by Tom Grover. And as always, this is Mother Eagle. Leave me your comment. Talk to you soon. Bye.